Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the VirtualBox Bridged Adapter error that says Invalid Settings Detected. First, open VirtualBox and select your virtual machine. Click on Settings Network. Make sure the option Enable Network Adapter is checked. Then, under Attach To, select Bridged Adapter. Now, in the name drop-down, no name found. If the driver doesn't appear in the list, you may need to reinstall VirtualBox. Now go to and download VirtualBox. When reinstalling, make sure the network or bridged networking feature is selected during setup. After installation, restart your computer and check the settings again. Now, open VirtualBox again. And check the network connection. You've successfully fixed the VirtualBox Bridged Adapter Invalid Settings Detected error. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment "Fixed" below to help others know it worked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.